Let's get started now. So you will need a chair, and those of you who joined us for the first time for the chair yoga class, if you don't have a chair like this, if it's a plastic chair which is a little wobbly, make sure you place it against a surface. And what is the height of your chair? What should be the height of the chair? When you're sitting on your chair, your feet should be comfortably reaching the floor. Okay? If your feet is higher, okay, if your feet is lifting up, you need to place something under the feet. And if you feel that your knees are dropping down like this, you have to place something on the chair. I will repeat again so that it becomes easier for you. You should be comfortable like this here if you're sitting on the chair. Because in the house, you might not have a yoga chair, you might be using your dining chair, or you might be using a plastic chair. So if your feet are not reaching the floor, place a block or a cushion under the feet. And when you're sitting, if the chair is too low and you're tall and your knees are lower than the hips, then you need to put a cushion on the chair so you can elevate the hip and your feet can come like this. I hope it's clear to everybody. Yeah? So let's get started. So for the first thing, you're going to put the chair. Remember, you have to put the chair against a wall or against a surface, okay, so that it is more stable. So we are going to start lying down. Let's go ahead and start lying down. Keeping your back straight, roll your shoulders up, back and down. Chest lifted. And we start the session with one Om chanting. Close your eyes, everybody. Go ahead and take a long, deep breath in. And breathe out. Take one more long, deep breath in. Breathe out. For the last time, take a long and deep breath in and hold the breath inside. And then slowly and gently exhale out, deeply and slowly. Rub your palms, give a nice rub. And then go ahead and gently place your palms over your eyes. Take your hands all the way back. You can even interlace the fingers. Chin forward, exhale, bend forward and down. See if you can touch your forehead on the floor. And then inhale, slowly come up and release. Lovely. So we'll start with the first thing. Make sure that your chair is against a wall, against any furniture, so that it is more stable. And then from here, you're going to come close to the chair. You're going to work on strengthening the back of the body. The lower back, the glutes, the hamstrings, the calf muscles. So you're going to come and sit close to the chair and lie down on the floor. And bring your feet on the edge of the chair. Don't place it at the center and do not stretch your legs like this. I'm going to give you the minutest detail because some of you might be doing it for the first time. So keep the feet on the edge of the chair and the chair is against a surface and a wall. You can also place the heels slightly at the edge like this. And then keep the hands on either side of the body. Draw your abdomen in. Keep your chin down towards the chest. Inhale and raise your hips up. Try to lift up and start to feel the back of the body. It's nicely engaged and active. Try to press on the top of the shoulders. And then exhale and then slowly release it down. You're going to do this 10 times. So again, inhale and go ahead and lift. Exhale and down. Inhale up, nice and strong. Exhale and down. Again, inhale and up. Exhale and down. Continue. Inhale up. Exhale down. When you come up, notice how your glutes gets activated on its own. Also your hamstrings. Again, inhale, come up. Try to keep your legs together. Exhale and down. 5 more times. Inhale, start to feel the lower body, the lower back, the glutes working. Exhale and down. Every time, try to lift a little more higher. Inhale and up. Try to lift a little more higher. Exhale and down. 3 more times, everybody. Inhale, pressing the feet into the chair so that it helps you to raise your body high up. And you can squeeze your buttocks. You can feel it in your legs. Exhale and down. Last 2 times, everybody. Go ahead and inhale and lift up, lift up, lift up. Breathe. Feel the work in the back of the body. Start to feel it in your thighs at the back, the glutes at the back. Exhale and down. Good. If you started to feel the fire in the legs, you're working nicely. One last time, everybody. Check. Chin down towards the chest and inhale and lift up. Lift up nice and strong and be here for 10, 9, 8, stay up, stay up, stay up, 7, every breath try to raise up higher, 6, 5, 4, start to feel the fire, 3, 2, and 1, and slowly release. Beautiful. You can just stretch the legs on the top of the chest and you can relax yourself. Keep breathing and stay. Wonderful. I'll just do a little check whether everything is going right or not. Keep breathing, everybody. Stay there for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4, for 5, for 6, for 7, for 8, for 9, and for 10. Very good. Now from here, you're going to move away slightly from the chair. So move away slightly from the chair. So move back slightly from the chair and stay on your forearms, strong. You can even hold the two corners of the mat. Now from here, you're going to bring the legs on the top of the chair. When the legs are on the top of the chair, it is bent. And then when you bring it down, stretch it straight. So up, bend at the knee. When you bring it down, stretch it straight. Okay, and stay on your forearms. Don't drop your chest down. Lift the chest up. Let's go. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, remember when you bring the legs down, you're straightening them. 7, down. 8, closer on the chair. Down. 9, down. Last time, 10, and down, and you can lie down on your back. Take a break, breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come up again on your forearms, slightly shift away from the chair, okay? Bring your knees to the chest. You can watch me once and then we can all do together. Point your toes. Take both the legs on the right side or on the left side. Come back center and then on the opposite side. Together, stretch. Together, stretch. Let's go. 1, stretch. 2, stretch. 3, stretch. Feel it in your side body. 4, stretch. 5, stretch. 6, stretch. 7, stretch. 8, stretch. 9, stretch. 10, stretch. 11, stretch. 12, stretch. 13, stretch. 14, stretch. Last 2, 15, stretch. 16, stretch, and relax. You can keep your legs bent. You can lie down on your back and take a break. We'll do one more set of what we just did with the little variations. Good. Now from here again, move your body close to the chair. Come closer to the chair. And then you can lie down completely on your back. You don't have to stay on your forearms. Watch me first and then do. Beginners, you can do what we did the first time. Okay, you can just lift your hips up, stay here, and come down. You don't have to do extra. Rest of you who want to do a little more, who want to add on, watch me and then we do it together. You're going to lift your hips really high. Bring your right knee to the chest and then stretch the leg. Then you're going to bring it down and up. Down without dropping the hips down and up. Okay, let's do it together. So lower your hips down all the way. And again, bring the heel of the feet to the edge of the chair. Make sure that your chair is stacked on something. Keep your chin towards the chest, arms rolled in. Inhale, lift your hips up. Now when the hips are lifted, they're not going to come down. Shift your weight into the left leg. Bring your right knee to the chest and stretch your right leg up, pointing the toes. Exhale, bring your right leg down and up. 2, up. 3, up. Don't bring your hips up and down. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. Last time. 10, up and relax. So if you're feeling it in your left hamstring, you're doing it right. That is exactly where it will be because all the weight is on the left leg. Now let's do the other side, nice and strong. See, I'm holding the two corners of the mat. That gives me more support. You can do the same thing. Raise your hips up, nice and strong. Press the right foot into the chair. Pull your left knee towards your chest first. And then straighten the left leg up, point the toes. Bring it down and up. 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7. Come on, with a smile, everybody. 8, don't roll your heads down. Come on. Feet in the back of the right leg. 9. One more. 10. And slowly down. Wonderful. You can just stretch your legs on the top of the chair. Keep the legs wide apart and take a little break and relax. Stay here for 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then slowly come down and you move away slightly behind. So move back away from the chair. Come down onto your forearms. See that your chest is not going down. Shoulders away from the ears. Bring both the legs on the top of the chair. Bend your legs. So this here, the legs are bent. Take it down and stretch. Come on. 1, stretch. 2, stretch. 3, feel it in your inner thighs, around your hips. Fold, stretch. 4, stretch. 5, stretch. 6, stretch. 7, stretch. 8, stretch. 9, stretch. Last time. 10, stretch and relax. Lie on your back and just take a moment, 5 seconds, relax and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slightly move behind a little bit more. Slightly move your hips back a little bit more. Come onto your forearms. Stay strong, chest lifted. Bring both your knees to the chest, everybody. Point your toes. Let's start moving the legs sideways. So on one side of the chair, stretch it out. Come back center and on the other side. Come on, let's start. 1, fold. Right, fold. 2, fold. Left, fold. 3, fold. Left, fold. 5, fold. Left, fold. No giving up. 6, fold. Left, fold. Come on. 7, fold. Left, fold. 8, fold. Left, fold. 2 more times. 9, fold. Left, fold. Almost there. 10, fold. Left, fold, and relax. Go all the way down and relax. Take a moment and breathe. Good. Roll over to your right side. Let's start opening up the upper body, the shoulders and the hands. So now sit facing away from the chair. Now all of you might not have this kind of a chair. You might not have a hollow here. There could be the piece of the chair here. So you can just place it here. So all of us start to bring the back of the palms on the chair like this and turn the chest towards the front. Turn the chest towards the front. Some of us will just bring the palms down and keep turning the chest forward and stay here for 10 seconds. Some of us will take both the hands behind depending on your flexibility. So take both your hands behind. I have started with my palms facing up and then see I'm arching my back. So arch your back, pull the shoulders behind, and if this is comfortable, turn the palms towards the chair. You can keep your hands a little far, you can keep them closer. Remember, as I told you, as an option, if you are very tight on the shoulders, do one hand at a time, 10 seconds, and then the other hand. Those of you who are comfortable here, so don't sit like this. See me? See the shoulders forward and the chest in. Roll the shoulders up, back, and down. Push the ribs forward, get a nice arch in the back and stay here for another 20 seconds. For 1, 2, really opening through the shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. It's a beautiful opening for the shoulders. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release one hand and then slowly release the other hand. Relax your hands and feel the sensations and the blood flow along your arms. Close your eyes and stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Let's move on. Now we'll come up into seated. So I'm going to turn the chair to face me. So everybody turn the chair to face me. In case some of you have joined us a little late, depending on your chair height, you might need something under the feet or you might need something under the seat. If your feet are comfortably reaching the floor and your knee and hip are in one line, the chair is a perfect height for you. In case your feet are lifted up, your feet is not touching the floor, you need to keep some cushion, some blocks under the feet. In case your knees are lower than the hips, like you are really tall and the chair height is low, you need to place something on the seat of the chair, elevate your hips so that you can come in this position. And bring your ankle and knee in one line, okay? So we'll just do some deep stretches for the body and then we are going to start moving a little bit more. So inhale, press the feet down, feet are parallel. Don't open the knees out, keep the knees drawn in. Palms facing towards each other, interlace the fingers and stretch the hands. Strong hands, as if you're going to chop the wood. So strong hands, draw your abdomen in. Inhale, as you exhale, bend on your right side. Now, when you're bending, don't take the chest in. Push the chest forward, shoulders back and bend on your right side. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale and bend on the left side. Don't allow the knees to move with the rest of the body. Knees are still pointing forward. Inhale, come back center. Come on. Exhale, bend nicely. Feel a nice lateral bend. And inhale, center. Exhale, on the opposite side. Keep smiling, chest forward, shoulders back. Inhale and center. Exhale. If you have a block, place a block in between your knees and thighs so that the legs can stay together. Closer. Inhale, come back center. Exhale, on your left. And inhale, center. Release your hands down. We'll do this once again. And this time you're going to hold longer. 10 seconds and I'm going to count very slow. So brace yourself. See that your chest is not dropping in. Keep the chest lifted. Inhale, palms facing towards each other. Interlace the fingers and lengthen the arms. Shoulders reaching your ears. Usually we say don't reach the shoulders to the ears. But today now, reach the shoulders to the ears and start to bend on your right side. Bend on your right side and stay for 1, 2, chest forward, 3, shoulders behind the ears, 4, straight hands, do not bend the arms, straight hands, 5, 6, come on, 7, 8, little more, 9, and 10. Inhale, come back to the center, grow tall from the sides of your body. And then exhale, bend on your left side. Bend on your left side and stay. And feel the stretch in the side body. Hold it here. See how the knees tend to collapse and drop? Don't allow that to happen. Knees facing forward. Chest pushed forward. Shoulders stretched behind. Hands straight. Last 5, 4. Get a nice lateral bend. 3, 2, and bend. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release your hands. Good. Take a moment and breathe, relax your hands and shoulders. There might be a lot of beginners who are joining us today, who joined us today. Now feet apart, but keep your feet parallel to each other. Don't turn the toes out. Your feet are as wide as the legs of the chair. Slightly move and sit back and then start bending forward. If your hands don't touch the floor comfortably, place 2 blocks, 2 pillows, 2 glasses, whatever. Place it, bring the palms not in front of the feet but along the feet. And try to snug your shoulder closer to the knees. So your shoulder is not above the knees. Try to snug your shoulders closer to the knees. Keep pushing down with your knees. So active legs. Don't allow the knees to open out. So keep pressing the shoulders or the back of the shoulders with your knees. And then allow the head to go down to the best that you can. Stay here. Breathe. Breathe for 10. 9, 8, keep snugging down. 7, see my shoulders have gone further down, my legs down. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, slowly come up. We'll do a little stretch for the inner thighs. We'll do the same forward bend later, a little more deeper. So walk your legs out this time. So see my legs are wider than the legs of the chair and turn the toes out this time. So keep the toes turned out. You might have to sit slightly on the edge of the chair. So inhale, once again, bring your hands down to the floor. If the hands don't come down to the floor comfortably, use something under the palms, block or something. Toes are turned out, knees are pointing out. You're getting a beautiful stretch in your inner thighs. Stay here if this is enough for you. Don't drop the head down more than the chest. Don't do this. You're only straining your neck. Nothing else is happening in your body. You're only straining your neck. Keep the chin up, allow the chest to go down. Okay? So not dropping the head down like this. It's not serving you. It's only straining the neck. Instead, keep the chin up, bring the chest down, start to feel your inner thighs getting a good stretch. When you think that you've gone your maximum, then slowly and gently lower your head down, lengthening the back of the neck. Stay here and feel a beautiful stretch in your inner thighs. Try to go lower and lower with every exhalation. Stay and breathe. We are going to spend almost a minute here. If somebody has blood pressure, BP problems, you can stay up like this. You don't have to go so down. Okay? Those of you who don't have any blood pressure, any BP issue, can go all the way down. Keep getting a good stretch in your inner thighs. Draw your abdomen in. Keep the spine long. You can walk your hands back a little more and keep lowering the head down, getting a nice stretch in the back of the neck. Some of us can even interlace the fingers and press the head in. This feels good in the neck. Or just stay here. Another 30 seconds. Feel a nice stretch in your inner thighs. Last 15 seconds. Stay here and breathe. To come up, don't just come up, don't rush up. First, lift your head forward. Don't rush up. And then slowly and gently walk your legs in. Place your hands on the legs. Stay low. Don't immediately come up. And after a few seconds, slowly and gently come up. We are again doing the forward bend that we did earlier. So bring the feet closer, almost as wide as the leg of the chair. Don't have the toes turned out. Keep the toes turned in. Again, lengthen the spine forward. So don't try to go down with your back rounded like this. So try to pull the chest and the waist away from the hip. Lengthen the spine. Bring the palms on the floor like this. Again, your shoulders are being snugged in between the knees. And the knees are really pressing into the shoulders. Start leaning forward. Start lowering the chest down. Start lowering the head down. And this time, see if you can take your hands and reach the back of the chair. Try to reach the back of the chair. Lower your body down and stay. Breathe and stay. Stay for 10. It's a deep forward bend. Deep at opener. 9. Keep snugging the knees into the shoulders. Last 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. To come up, lift your head up. Bring the hands forward. Don't come up with a jerk. Come up slowly. And then bring your feet close to each other. With a neutral spine, close your eyes and give yourself 5 or 10 seconds. You've been on a deep forward bend. Before we start doing something else, give yourself a little release. Wonderful. Now from here, your right hand, place it on the top of the chair like this. Place it behind on the top of the chair. I will turn it so that you can have a better view, everybody. So what I'm doing is I'm placing my right hand on the top of the chair. So my body is already in a twist, okay? I don't allow my knees to go along with my trunk. My knees are forward, my hips are facing forward. I twist and I get a nice twist. I'm not dropping my chest down, pressing into the sit bones, drawing my abdomen in, feeling the twist coming from the waist. This hand is on the top of the chair. Start to twist, hold it for 10, 9, 8. If your neck is okay, you can look over your right shoulder also. Otherwise, just look forward. 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, we are going to continue with this twist with a forward bend. So the right hand will remain on the chair. I'm going to stretch and extend the left side of the body and bring it over and across my right leg. Are we getting it? Yeah? So I did a nice length, a good stretch, and I placed it over and across the right leg. I can grab hold of my ankle or I can just keep the hand like this. And then this hand, I am pushing my chest forward. So my head, which was leaning forward, now is moving in the direction of the knee. And feel a nice stretch in the side body and also on the left side. Straighten the top hand and you can just stay here or you can bend this arm. Try to lengthen. Again, move the chest, the waist away from the hip. Stretch forward in the forward direction. Stay here for 5, 4, straightening the arm and turn the shoulder back. 3, 2, and 1. Come back all the way to the center and just sit for the neutral spine. Notice the sensations in the spine, in the back, in the sides. We do the same thing on the other side. Take your left hand on the top of the chair, right hand on the outside of the left knee, straight spine, breathe. If the neck is okay, you can look over your left shoulder. If that is too much for the neck, look forward. Stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the top hand is bent. We want to stretch it. So we are going to lean forward so that the top hand stretches. I extend the right side of the body. I take a nice twist, hooking my arm across that knee. And then I draw my head and my chest towards the knees. And I roll my left shoulder open and I stay here. And I stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, keep stretching, 6, 5, very good everybody, 4, 3, stretch the top arm, 2, and 1. Inhale and slowly come back to the center. Exhale and relax your whole spine. Keep breathing and stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful, guys. Inhale and then slowly come up. Let's move on. Now you're going to turn the chair and again you can place it closer towards the wall or any kind of a support. Walk back, the heel of the palm on the top of the chair. Walk back and then bend the knees. So if you're walking back, your back is rounded like this, we don't want that. So walk back, bend your knees, push your buttocks back. Straighten, flatten the spine completely, flatten your back. And then if it is available for you, straighten the legs and stay. Don't dump your body down. Keep the body, the hips and the head in one line. If you're not feeling any stretch, take a step back now. And then get a nice stretch in the back of the legs, in the back of the body. Keep your hands active, keep your spine active. And stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, come on everybody, 6, 5, wonderful, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend your knees and then slowly walk forward. We are going to take the same position. Watch me once and then you all do. So you're going to again straighten your hands. Your hands are not bending. Straighten your hands. Slight bend in the legs. Push your buttocks back. You're going to lift your right leg up. But don't turn the hips. Lift it straight. Point the toes and back. Stretch and back. See what I'm not doing? I'm not moving my upper body. So I'm not doing this. I'm not going down and up completely. Not like this. I don't move my upper body. My upper body stays as it is. Just from the hip and down. Hip and down. Okay, let's see that everybody. Stretch your hands. No bend in the elbows. Straighten your arms. Pull your abdomen in and go. 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5. Don't worry if you're feeling it in your lower back. You're actually strengthening it. 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, 2 more, 11, down, 12, down. Bend the knees, walk forward, relax your whole body. Take a moment. Don't worry at all if you're feeling it in the lower back. We're actually strengthening the lower back here. Let's do the other side. Again, walk back, everybody. Walk back, straight legs, body straight, belly in. Straight hands, don't bend the elbows. Keep your belly in. Look down towards the mat. Shift your weight into the right leg. Left leg up, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down, 10, 2 more everybody, 11, down, 12, and down. Slowly walk forward. If you're feeling it in the back of the body, you've done it right. Roll your shoulders, take a breath up, and stay. Wonderful, everybody. Now from here, we are going to turn the chair again. I am not keeping it supported against a wall because my chair is pretty sturdy. If your chair is not sturdy, it's wobbly, please place it against the wall. Okay? Deep stretches now. So from here, step your right foot up. You can place something on the top. I'm also going to get something to place it on the top. So you're going to place something on the top, a bed sheet, another sticky mat, anything that you have, okay? So that the surface of the chair does not hurt your ankle. And now place your right foot here. If you cannot directly take it from here, step it up, and then we can place it all the way here. Keep your belly in, keep the standing leg straight, stretch your hands, and flex the foot. Both sides of the hip in the same line. You should not have one hip higher than the other. Try to lower it down, both sides of the hip in one straight. Extend your hands, stretch. Straighten your left leg completely. Pull the toe towards you. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 4 more. Exhale. Inhale. 3 more. Exhale. Come on, everybody. Inhale. 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. Exhale. Be there. Be there. Stretch your hands further away from the feet. Look forward. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come up. Exhale and twist on your right side. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale and twist. Inhale, center. Don't give up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. 2 more times. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Last time. Exhale, twist. Be here. Be here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring your hands down. Now your right leg, you're going to just replace it on the top of the chair, right? And then walk your left leg slightly more to the left side. Okay? The left toe is pointing forward and the right toe is pointing towards the right, everybody. Stretch your hands out nice and strong and then lean into the right leg and back. When you're doing this, you could see the knee was overstepping the foot. So I'm going to take the foot a little more wider so that when I lean in, my knee and my ankle are in a straight line and it's not here like this. Okay? Let's go. 1 and back. 2. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. 3. Back. 4. Back. 5. Back. Very good, everybody. 6. You've got it. Back. 7. Back. With a smile. Don't drop your hands down. 8. Back. You can do it. Come on. 9. Back. Last time, everybody. 10. Stay. And it's okay, slightly go in, go in. It's okay for your ankles and for the knees because you've gone in slowly, don't worry. Hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the center. Just stretch this leg, stretch this leg. Now from here, turn the left foot out. Turn the left foot out, knees pointing out. Send your hips back and your chest forward. And keep the foot flexed. Start to feel a deep stretch in your hamstring and a little bit in your inner thighs. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, go down. Inhale, center. Come on, everybody. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. 2 more. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Last time, exhale down, keep flexing the foot, bring your hands to the floor. Feel a deep stretch, stay with that stretch, don't give up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up, exhale, bring the foot in and bring your hands down. Bend your right leg, the same leg 1 more time, bend it. Inhale, walk your left foot out. Lean into the right side, knee and ankle in one straight line. Bring the hand in front of the foot. And with your shoulder, with your arm, press the knee back. And the knee is trying to push and you're doing this. And stretch. Move your legs a little further. Lean. Stay. Feel the stretch in your hips and your inner thighs. So keep moving your left leg to the side and stay. Don't try to drop your chest down this way. Just lift it up. Palms resting on the chair for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands to the center. Walk your leg back. Come back to the center. Now we'll take a bind for this. You might need a strap. Okay? So you will take the right hand from the front and place it on your hip. Left hand from behind, you're going to catch hold of the fingers if you can reach. Now see how my head and my chest is ahead of the knees. I'm going to rotate my head and my chest towards the knee. Can we all do that? So from here, I'm going to rotate, I'm going to move my hip forward. That will rotate the head and the chest back. And then I'm going to just slightly bend into my right leg. Stay, breathe. If you cannot bind, use a strap. You can do the same thing for a strap. In case if we have beginners, you can keep a strap here like this around your thighs. Okay? And then you can start going in. You can hold the strap and then you can hold the top of the strap. So this is how it will be. I'll show you from the back so that it's all clear for all of you. So in case if you're using the strap for the first time, so this is how you're going to use the strap. This is how you're going to use it. So keep it close and then rotate your head and chest towards the knee. And open up the shoulders. Your hands can be here. Keep moving it close to each other. Okay, so I hope that's understood. Let's all do that now. Come on. If you're not already in the pose, get into the pose. And the main thing, rotate the hip forward and the head and the chest towards the knee. That is the main thing. And then roll the shoulder back, look up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale slowly and gently release. And exhale, lean back. We do all of this on the other side. So pressing the right foot on the floor, bring your left leg all the way on the top of the chair. Flex the foot nicely. Right foot really straight and strong. Inhale, reach your hands up. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, lean forward. Inhale, come up. Exhale, lean. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale. Notice I'm not dropping my head. My head I'm trying to reach forward. Inhale. 3 more. Exhale. Inhale. 2 more. Exhale. Inhale. Last time. Exhale. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come up. And then exhale. Turn on your stretch leg. Inhale. Come back to the center. Exhale. Inhale. Few more times. Exhale. Inhale. Come on, everybody. Exhale. Keep doing. Keep doing. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale. Keep turning. And inhale. Last 3. Exhale. Straight right leg. Inhale. We are all turning towards the left side. And inhale. One last time. Exhale. Hold it here. If it's okay for your neck, look over your left shoulder. If that's too much, just look forward. Draw your navel in. Lift the chest up and stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Come back to the center. Exhale. Slowly release your hands. Step your left foot on the seat of the chair. I'll turn my chair so that it's visible to all of you. So your left foot is on the top of the chair. Turn your right foot forward. And move your right leg to the side. Extend your arms out once again. Lean into the left leg, knee over the ankle, and back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. Come on, everybody. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 2 more. 9, back. Last time. 10. Go a little further, gradually. Let the knee overstep the ankle. It's okay for a few seconds. And then slowly and gently come back. Now from here, bring your hand down on in front of the foot, bend that leg, and then walk your right leg a little more to the right. And stretch your hands like your Parsva. Only difference is foot is up on the chair and not on the floor. It is similar to your side angle stretch. Stay here. Stay. Notice how my shoulder is coming closer and closer to the knee, and I'm trying to push the knee behind, getting a good stretch in my inner thighs. And then from here, slowly come back. This time, turn the foot out to the side. Okay, turn the foot to the side. You can bring it closer. Inhale, arm stretches. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. Sorry, we had to stretch the leg. So go ahead and stretch this leg. Good. And then just go down halfway and stay here for a few seconds. Keep flexing the foot and stay here. My knees are turned to the sides. There's no pressure on the knees when it turns to the sides. Inhale and come up. Careful. You might go imbalanced like I have. It's okay. Just keep coming back to it. And now exhale, touch the floor. Inhale, come up. Exhale, see if you can go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bending your right leg sideways. Inhale, come up. Left heel pressing on the chair. Inhale, come up. 4 more. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Come on, 3 more. Exhale, beautiful. Inhale, come up. After this, I'll give you a break. 2. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Last time. Exhale. Inhale and come up. Release your hands. Turn the right foot forward. Bend the leg. Now from here, bring the hands close. Now the left hand from the front. Take it behind. You can use a strap. Right hand from the top. Try to use a strap or just hold your fingers together. And now rotate the hips forward and take the head and the chest towards the left knee. If you're here, that's not right. So you need to move the hip forward so that the chest and the head can come over the knee. Okay, and take a nice bind and keep opening up the right shoulder. Look up, stay here. 5, 4, and then bend a little more into the left knee. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release. We'll take a little break here while the legs, the inner thighs, and the hamstrings work. Feet wide apart, toes turn forward. Bring the hands down on the chair. You can just rest your head on the chair, push your hips back. And just take 10 counts. Breathe in and out. This will relax you while your back and your legs are still stretching. So stay here. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly and gently walk your feet close to each other. Walk your feet close to each other. Push your body back and stretch and go into a nice forward bend. Roll the shoulders away from the ears. Pull your stomach in. Stretch it out and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the knees and then slowly come up. So we're going to come back into these deep stretches after a little while. Let's just work into a little bit of mobility and a little bit more of flexibility. So again, you will need the chair and you will place it against a surface. I am used to doing this, so I am bringing it in the center of the mat. Watch me properly and then do. So you're going to step your left leg up on the chair, hands on the top, lift, down, 2, down. You're not just throwing the leg back. Lift it, raise it, and bring it down. In comparison to just throwing the leg, don't do that, okay? So let's all do that. We do 15 of this. So left foot on the top of the chair, hands on the top, lean forward. Inhale, straight, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down. Place your left foot at the center of the chair. It will be more stable. 6, down, 7, down, 8, down, 9, down. Come on, come on. 10, down. 5 more. 5, down. 4, down, 3, down, don't get tired, 2, down, last one, 1, and hold. Hold, straighten both the legs, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down, and step. Give it a little shake, breathe, good. Let's do the other side. Don't get tired, the interesting part is still to come. Right foot on the chair, lean forward, and keep your back straight, don't round your back. Press into the right foot, raise your left leg, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, land softly, 8, down, 9, down, come on, 10, down, don't give up, 11, down, keep the legs straight, 12, down, 13, down, 14, down, last one, 15, and down. Good. Give it a little shake, breathe, do not sit on the chair. Don't sit on the chair. Give me a thumbs up, how are we doing? Are we very tired? Great, come on, let's go. Watch this one. Very important, your chair has to be supported. It's more for your inner thighs. Watch carefully and then we'll all do. Last very active one. After this, it'll just be stretching. So from here, you're going to step, hands here. You're going to kick up, down. Kick up, down. So we're doing a side raise, okay? So my right foot is on the chair. I take support. Please, beginners, keep the chair against a wall. I don't want the chair to wobble and you to stumble, okay? I'm used to it, so I'm just keeping it at the center. So the right foot on the top of the chair, right hand here. Press, lift, down. 2, sideways. Come on. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. Don't give up. 5, down. Come on, last 5. 6, down. 7, down. You've got this. 8, down. 9, kick, down. Last one. 10, down, and relax. Woo. Breathe. Breathe. One side will feel different than the other side. I'm changing my chair so that I can keep facing you. You please keep the chair as it is. Even if your back is on the camera, towards the camera, it's okay. Left foot on the chair, hand on the top of the chair. Press, raise. Do slowly first 2 times. Just get the movement and then do it faster, okay? So 1, take your time. Down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. Really lift this leg up. 8, lift. Down. 9, down. Last one, 10, and down, and relax. Good. Just breathe. If you have to sit, don't sit on the chair. Sit like yogis sit in malasana. If you have to relax your legs. No sitting on the chair. We move in the same direction. I'll show you what you have to do. So now from here, the seat of the chair is facing the opposite side. We are coming into Ardha Chandrasana, which will stretch the inner thighs and the side body. Now from here, my right foot is facing towards the chair. My toes are not turned forward. Right foot facing towards the chair. My hip crease is on the top of the chair, is on this. Not my waist, okay? Not my chest, not my thighs, just my hip crease. So I bring my hip crease here, bring the hand down. If you're shorter than me, you might need a block. If you're taller than me, you might need more things here. So it depends, okay? Now from here, straight hand. My right foot is turned towards the chair. And then I start lifting my left leg up. Okay, toes are pointed inwards or flexed. Raise it, don't take the leg back, don't take it forward. Keep the right leg straight. Once you're comfortable, straighten. Don't be here. Don't push your head to the shoulders. Stay, breathe, come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, keep lifting it up. 6, 5, 4, 4.5, 3, come on, come on, come on, lift, lift. 2, and 1. Slowly down and shake those legs. Do the other side. You can bring the chair to this side. For this, you don't need that support. My left foot is turned towards the chair. My left hand straight. I'm not bending my arm, not collapsing my chest. If your palm does not reach, use a block, use a pillow, whatever you have. Lift up. I have to move my. So from here, you're going to lift up, raise the right leg up, flex the foot, stretch the hand, open up the shoulders and the chest. Look up. 1, keep lifting this leg up. 2, 3, 4, 5, come on, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and feeling it here. That's good. Beautiful. We do one last preparation before we go into bird of paradise. That's the peak pose, as you all know. So from here, place your leg here. I give you 2 options. For people who have tight hips and tight inner thighs, just keep the leg on the seat of the chair, little lower. Those of you who can, bring the foot on the top of the chair. Okay, now from here, this foot is pointing forward, hands on the hip, and then keep this foot forward and bend. Bend. You can bend this leg, push your hips back, chest forward, and try to grab hold of your big toe here. If you cannot also, it's okay. You can also use a strap here. So if you cannot reach, keep your legs straight. You can use a strap here and then push your hips back. You can bend the knees. Then you start straightening. Those of you who are holding the big toe, press into the standing leg and see if you can take this leg off the chair. Off the chair. Try. If not, you can just keep it on the chair for today and keep going. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release and relax. Beautiful. Let's keep working on the same side. So from here, turn the chair like this. Okay? You can use a strap or you can do without the strap. The peak pose is bird of paradise. We are working towards it. So you bring the foot on the top of the chair. Your chair is against a support, remember. Take this hand in front, behind and around. Maybe you can hold the fingers, maybe you can't. Maybe you use a strap. So here. And then from there, push your head and chest behind. And then from here, just lift down. Stretch down. Stretch down. Stretch down. Stretch down. Try. Stretch down. If you're here, try to push your hip forward, straighten the spine, and stay here for today. Roll shoulders open. Those of you who can do, try to press into the standing leg. Stretch this leg up. Breathe. Look over your left shoulder. If this is difficult, today stay here. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Here also is a good option. 3, 2, and 1. Release the bind. Shake it out and relax. We'll do all of this on the other side. So from here, we bring the chair like this. Walk back. Place the foot either on the seat of the chair or on the top of the chair, whatever works for you. Your standing right toes are facing the camera. You can bend the standing leg, push your hips back and the chest forward. You can reach the big toe. If that's not possible, use a strap. If this is comfortable, then start to straighten the standing leg. Extend the hands, I don't have space here, and stay. If you feel very comfortable, you can grab hold of the foot. You can shift your weight into the standing leg and the support of the chair, you can take it off and you can lean forward and you can stay here. I don't have space, I'll show you without the chair. You can keep the chair also. You can keep the chair also. So this is the pose, you can keep the chair also. Stay and breathe, whatever works for you. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Now from here, you're going to bring the foot and you're going to walk closer. So see how the knee is coming close to the shoulder. So already the work is done because the shoulder has to come close to the knee for the bind. So already because of the chair, this extension you've got in the legs. Lean forward, take the left hand from the front around. One side will be a little more tight than the other. You can use a strap and then straighten your spine, your back, your chest. Okay, then from here, active leg. You can stretch down, stretch down. You can use a strap if your hands, you're finding it difficult. And then if you can, straighten the spine, stretch the leg up, look over your right shoulder and do. Try whatever variation. Today maybe the leg can just come on the chair. Move your body closer to the chair. Move your body closer to the chair. Move your foot. Take your right foot closer to the chair. Keep lifting the chest up. And press your right leg down and lift your left leg just a few inches off the floor. Lift, lift, yes, left, yes, very good, very good, very good. Keep going, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful. Slowly release and relax. Good. Let's start to wrap up. So once again, just come into a forward bend. So I'm going to show you like this. So if you're taller than me, walk your feet back. If you're my height, come closer to the chair. Again, the top of the chair comes at your hip crease. And then from here, we are just starting to release and relax. So extend the spine, do not round your back. You can bend the knees and extend the spine. Okay, and then start moving your hands down the chair. Move your hands, maybe your head will touch the seat of the chair, maybe not. And then straighten the legs and stay here. If your head is not touching the seat of the chair, you can place a block or a cushion. Bend the knees, push the buttocks back, lengthen the spine, and then you can straighten the legs. Let's stay here. Breathe. Stay here. Stay here. See my hands going all the way down towards the chair. Five more seconds, everybody. Good. Slowly and gently start to move your body up. Come into a neutral spine. Roll your shoulders back and down. Close your eyes. Stand straight. Neutral spine. And just be here for 10 seconds. Breathing in and breathing out. Go ahead and breathe in and breathe out. Notice the sensations in the body. Good, lovely. Now from here, you're going to turn the chair again to face you. You can watch me once. We're going to do a modified shoulder stand sarvangasana. Okay, and then we will go into your shavasana. So from here, again, keep the chair against some support. Bring your hips very close to the chair. You can watch me once and then you can all do. So I place my feet on the top of the chair and I have to move my hips further towards the chair. So I'm going to move my hips a little more further towards the chair. And now from here, I'm going to press into the edge of the chair, lift my hips up, and I'm going to roll my shoulders in. So my hands are not out. Look at my elbows. So I'm going to roll my shoulders in. Take one leg on the top. Take the other leg on the top. Lift. I need to move a little more closer to the chair. You will also understand and know. So just move. You should be able to touch the legs of the chair. So lift up, stretch, and then don't just dump like this. So keep it active, roll the shoulders in, chest coming to the chin, stay here. You can even interlace the finger behind your back. Legs active, body active, stay here. Don't dump your body. Legs active, body active, stay here. Keep breathing and stay. Everybody. Keep lifting the chest up. Don't come down, don't come down. Stay here, don't come down. And then slowly and gently take support. Slowly start to come down. Keep your legs on the chair. Move your body back. So just move your hips back. Bring your feet on the chair and just take a good release here. So keep your feet wide apart. Allow the knees to roll out to the side. And then just keep the hands on either side. Chin down towards the chest. And just release the back body. Release your legs. And really release your lower back. Let your legs, which is on the top of the chair, the lower part of the legs, be heavy. And just allow the legs to drop on the chair. It will feel good on your lower back. Take 5 long and deep breaths. Now you can breathe into the belly. You can place your palms on the abdomen. Keep your body completely relaxed. As you inhale, belly expands. As you exhale, the belly relaxes. As you inhale, the belly expands. As you exhale, the belly relaxes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. No efforts from your part. Just observe the breath moving in your body. And then slowly bring your knees to the chest. Wrap your arms around the knees. Hug your knees, relax your shoulders. Turn over to your right side. Or if you don't have space, turn over on the other side. And come up to a seated. Sit with your eyes closed. And we'll end the session with one more chanting. Keep your spine straight. And just take a snapshot of your whole body. How does your body feel? Energized, active, more open, little lightness in the body. All of this, the fruits of your yoga practice. Let the body be calm and quiet and still. Bring your palms to your heart center. Draw one long, deep breath in. Breathe out. On our next exhalation, we chant Om together. Inhale. Grab your palms. Place it over your eyes. Take your